Welcome to the Club Resource Center. This tour is designed to show you how to create teams and manage users in your system. First, click on the hamburger menu in the top right corner for the Quick Links drop-down menu. Next, click on Manage Teams. This is the area where you can create and organize teams. We suggest creating teams based on the departments at your club. The first screen shows you every team created. To view a team, simply click on the team you would like to view. To create a new team, click on Create New Team. Here, you must enter the team name and make sure the status is active. Next, go back to the hamburger menu and click Manage Users. This is where you will create your team leaders using the Create User tab. Team leaders have the ability to run reports on their team only and see the progress their team is making with their training courses. Simply enter the required information marked by yellow dots. Please note, every user must have an email address attached to their account. Passwords must contain at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one number. For team leaders, their access level should be Team Leader. Next, you will need to decide which content role this user should have. The employee package allows them access to only the employee courses. The manager package allows them to access both the employee and manager courses. Most of the time, team leaders will be set to the manager package. The last three options are very important. You will always have the Training Center reports set on Show. This means they will show up on any reports you run. Most of the time, the ability to update my profile option will be Yes. This allows each user to update their password if they would like to. Lastly, for team leaders, the ability to create and edit users option should be checked off as Yes. This allows the team leader to create and edit users on their team. Once you're finished, select Add User. Once you've created all of your team leaders, go back to the Manage Teams from the hamburger menu. Click on the team you would like to assign a leader to, and simply select the user who you would like to lead the team, the specific team, and then click Update Team. For this, you will go to the Assign a Team Leader and select who you would like as your team leader. Now that your teams and team leaders have been created, enrolling the rest of your standard users is very simple. Under the hamburger menu, click Manage Users, and then select Enrollment. We suggest having the team leaders enroll their own team by creating an enrollment link that you will send out using your own email campaign. This means a link will be created that each team leader may send out to his department to have them enroll themselves in the system. First, enter an enrollment campaign name. Then go through each option and make your selections. A majority of the time, the access level will be Standard User. Team leaders should assign them to their own team. Most of the time, the content role will be Employee Package. Again, this allows users to see only the courses for employees. If you would like the users to be able to take manager-level courses as well, select the Manager Package. Users should always be Yes for showing in Training Center reports. If you would like the users to have the ability to update their profile and password, select Yes. And more often than not, these users should not have the ability to create or edit other users, so select No. You may leave the expiration date for these users blank. Click Next Page. Next, copy and paste the link into your own email campaign. This link will go to the following page. This is where each user can enter their own contact information. Once they have done so and click Submit, they'll be able to create their own username and password. Please note that the username must be unique and everyone is able to check the ability of the username that they have by selecting Check Availability. Once they click Submit again, they will be enrolled and able to log in to begin training. And there you have it. To view each user, simply click on Manage Users from the hamburger menu, leave everything blank, and select Search Users. Every user in the system will appear, so you may select who you would like to view by clicking on their username. To your teams, click on Manage Teams, and select which team you would like to view. You'll be able to see every user and which team they are on. If you'd like to add users to this team from here, click on the checkbox by their name and select Update Team. If you would like to take users off of this team, simply uncheck the box by their name and then select Update Team. If you need more information or have further questions, please contact Bob Gould in the Club Solutions Department at 703-739-9500 or via email at clubsolutions@cmaa.org. Thank you, and I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial.